how do you pronounce this? Ticonderoga. Why can't I say that? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another homeschooling video for you guys, and this is a homeschool haul. I have been compiling this stuff for quite a while to share with you guys, and I can't wait. Even though I'm sad that summer is kind of winding down, for us at least, I'm really excited. I love this time of year. I love the back to school sales. I love getting stuff together for a new school year, and that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. So I did a video a while back called Homeschool Organization, how I close up an old school year and prep for a new school year. In that video, I talked about the Samson Pop and Store Mega Box. These things are incredible. They hold so much stuff. They have all different sizes and colors, and they are such good quality. So I got another one of these. This is the Mega Box, the biggest one they have. And so I got one of those. I also picked up some of these Samson Duo 2-in-1 organizers. These things are so neat and so unique. I got two of these, one for each girl, and I'm going to show you in a separate video what I'm going to be using them for, at least one way to use them. But they are so neat because it is actually a binder. It's a 1-inch binder. You're like, okay, it's a binder. That's not that exciting. But wait, there's more. When you flip open the tab, it's got a Velcro closure. It's actually an accordion file with 7 different pockets. How neat is that? There are so many things that you could put in here. You could give these to your student to help them organize their own work. If you don't have room for the workbox system, which a lot of people do in homeschool, they have like a little box for each subject. A lot of people don't have room for that. A lot of people school on their kitchen table. They don't have room for all these different boxes and like letter sorters and all that stuff. You could give your child their work at the beginning of the week by dividing it up in these little, in the accordion file. Have their entire week's worth of work in the accordion file part, and then they can do all their assignments in the binder with notebook paper or however they're going to do that. This is such an amazing space saver and such an ingenious way to combine a binder and an accordion file. So I have 2 of these, pink, because I have 2 girls. I am going to be sharing with you guys what I'm going to be doing with these in a separate video, so stay tuned. So I want to thank Samson for being kind and generous enough to offer you guys a giveaway in this video. So one of you is going to win a 2-in-1 duo organizer and 2 of their Pop and Store boxes of your choosing. So you could do one of the mega boxes and one of their smaller boxes, or 2 of the mega boxes in whatever color you want. Whichever 2 boxes that you want, they will give you 2 of those and 1 of the 2-in-1 organizers. So that is super exciting. And if you want to be entered into the giveaway, then all you have to do is head down to the description box. I have everything typed out for you of how you actually can enter to win the 2-in-1 organizer and then 2 of the Pop and Store boxes. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you check out the description box. Okay, so I have a huge box of stuff here that I am excited to share with you guys. Just all kind of random things that I picked up for our homeschool room. The first thing is, I saw this at Target. It was in their dollar section, and it is the solar system book. I also picked up America's 50 States, again in the Target dollar section. The next thing I picked up is this Kids Meet the Presidents book. I found this at Ollie's. I like how it's the updated version, and it's just kind of neat. It's got some interesting facts about the presidents. I like how they're kind of like cut out at the top. And then it's written kind of autobiography style, so as if the president was writing it about himself. So it says, "Hello children, my name is John Quincy Adams." So it's kind of written like that. It's got some interesting information on the side, all the way up to the current president. So I thought that was really neat. I also picked up this Discovery Bugopedia with more than 400 photos. If you guys know, with my youngest, we're going to be doing an anthropods kind of bug unit with The Good and the Beautiful for science for 3rd grade. I picked up a couple bug books for her already, but this one was too beautiful to pass up. I mean, look at the cover of this. This came from Ollie's as well. It was $2.99, and it's got all of these really beautiful, gross pictures of bugs and different facts on the inside. I just thought it was really neat, and so I thought it'd be a really good thing to have in our homeschool library. Also, both girls, I found these over the summer. There was a sale at Office Depot. So I got them both a 50-pack of the Crayola Super Tip markers, and I also got 2 each of the Crayola Skinny Tipped markers. I got these, 2 of these from Office Depot, and then 2 of the 10-pack, like the thicker markers from Office Depot. Those were $1. I also picked up some cardstock from Hobby Lobby, but I really like to have just the white cardstock. I'm usually making like little posters for my youngest daughter, or just little signs and things to hang up, so I picked up some cardstock. Also, my label maker died over the summer, and I was like mid homeschool organization when my label maker died, and I was like, what am I gonna do? I can't label anything. So I had to go out and get a new labeler. I got the Dymo personal labeler, the LT100H. Obviously, you'll notice the label maker is gone because I had to make labels before I got around to making this video, but I did get a new label maker. It makes you realize how much you love something when you don't have it, and then you're like, I have to go out and get one immediately. So thank goodness I've been labeling things all week long. I also picked up these Expo fine point dry erase markers. I use these specifically just on the dry erase board when I'm teaching my youngest daughter, you know, one of her lessons. I really like the fine tip versus the fat ones for the board. It's just easier for me to write with neatly when I've got the fine tips. I picked up those. And I also got some of the Post-it flags that you can write on. I use these instead of like the tab divider type things. I just use a permanent marker and write on these. And I divide up like my teacher's manuals that way, and like just all different types of things you can do to organize with these. So I needed some more of those. My oldest daughter is going to be doing the Good and the Beautiful's language arts program, which does have art lessons incorporated into each unit, and so it said that she needed some watercolors, so I picked up this one from Michael's. This is the Artist Loft watercolor pan set. I picked that up. I also got her some watercolor paper because we didn't have any actual watercolor paper, and then I got her a new set of all of these different paintbrushes. Our paintbrushes that we have in the homeschool room are kind of used for any art project the girls want to use them for, and they were kind of like frayed and fuzzed out at the end. So I got her a new set, all of her own, just nice paintbrushes that she can use with her curriculum. I also got 2 packs of these, how do you pronounce this? Ticonderoga. Why can't I say that? But anyway, I got 2 packs of these. They were $1 a piece. They were $1 a piece over the summer at Office Depot, so I got those. At the Dollar Tree, I went and picked up some cute little stickers because I need more stickers, like I need a hole in the head. But this one's really cute. It's got a little bookworm, and it says like I heart books and reading is cool, and I thought those would be really cute to stick on my youngest daughter's like spelling tests and reading things. So I got that one, and then this one that says I'd rather be spelling, a high-flying speller, keep soaring, and I've got the spelling bug, and those are really cute, again, for spelling tests. And then for my girls, and I don't want to give these away because I love them. I'm a paper slash sticker slash pen marker addict, and I really love little cute notepads, and I picked up some things recently I showed you in a Dollar Tree haul that's going to be in our homeschool store, but I really wanted them for myself. That's okay. I picked up this one. I think my oldest daughter had like this. It's got like little sticky notes here on the side, and then a little notepad with a pineapple on it. And then I think my youngest daughter wanted this one, or maybe it was me. I don't know who it was. Little mason jar with a little lemon and lime wedge Post-it notes. I thought those would be really cute to put in the homeschool reward store. If you don't know what I'm talking about, we have a kind of a reward system in our homeschool room where the girls earn what we call Loki bucks. Loki's our dog. And they earn their Loki bucks, they save them up, and they can buy different things in our homeschool store. And I need to keep replenishing that store, so these are going to go in that. If you want to see kind of how I set that up, I actually have a video about that. I will link it for you guys if you're interested. Also, some things that are going to be going in the homeschool room store that are super duper neat. These actually came from Mindware. You guys know I love them. I usually work with them every Christmas because they have great gift ideas. My youngest daughter in particular, but both girls are really obsessed with like those squishy food toys, and then like silly putty. Anything squeezy and squishy, and if it's smelly, like scented, good smelly, not bad smelly. If it's scented, they love it even more. And so Mindware right now has these really neat things called Putty Scents, and they come in these little tins like this. This came in one kit, and it came with vanilla cake, cotton candy, and what's this one? Mint chocolate chip. And so I thought that was really neat. They do come in sets of 3. I obviously opened this one. This one is still in the package. This is the spa kit. So one of them smells like cucumber melon, one of them smells like lavender dreams, and one of them smells like water lily. And then this is the tropical fruits kit. One of them smells like bunch of bananas, one of them is juicy pineapple, and the other one is sliced kiwi. So I thought these were super cute to open up and put them all in there in the homeschool reward store, like individual little prizes that they can save up their Loki bucks for and redeem for these. So that was the first thing from Mindware. Then they one-upped themselves and came out with something else called Putty Scents Mashups. These are amazing smash and sniff mashups. They are like a flavor mixed together. So this one is graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate. And you smush them all together and you get the scent of a s'more. This one is buttered popcorn. So you have 2 Putty Scents, butter and popcorn. You smush them all together, you get buttered popcorn. And then this one is PB&J. This reminds me of my youngest daughter because it's all she ever wants to eat is peanut butter and jelly. So one of the putties is peanut butter and one of them is jellies. And when you smush them together, it makes peanut butter and jelly. How neat are these? Think about gifts for your kids, stocking stuffers. I think these are amazing, and I probably will save these for stocking stuffers. Some of these, or most of these, are definitely going to go in the Homeschool Rewards store, but when I saw these, I was like, that's got stocking stuffer written all over it. So I'm saving those for stockings, but how neat is that? I can't believe how neat that is. The last 2 things that I have in this homeschool haul are also from Mindware. You guys, if you've watched my gift guide videos for Christmas the last 2 years, then you know they make these incredible like excavation kits for kids. We've done all the fossil and mineral ones. We've done the sea creatures one, and there was a wild animals one where you have to like chisel these little creatures out of this egg. This is the Dig It Up Big Bugs Kit. As I mentioned, my youngest daughter is going to be doing an anthropods unit for science next school year, and I thought, how fun would it be to have these to go along with her insect unit. So basically you have these giant, like almost plaster of Paris kind of eggs, and they give you a little chisel and you can excavate and chisel and chip away at the outer part until you get to the inside, which in this case, there's a different bug in the inside of each egg. And there's 12 eggs in this kit. So you can give the whole thing to one kid and let them go at it, or give them one each day, or you can share it among a few kids, but I thought it was really neat. And it comes with a book on the inside, so once they get inside and find their bug, it's got information about it. So ants, and butterflies, and grasshoppers, and dragonflies, and centipedes, and scorpions, so all different bugs. So it's fun and sensory for them, and it's also educational because they get to read more about the insect that they excavated out. So that came in that kit, and then I also got this single egg. This one's a little bit different. This is the Dig It Up Big Bug, like the individual kit. And so it comes with one giant egg that they have to dig up, and there's some kind of an insect on the inside, and it comes with a little book on the inside as well. So I think she's going to absolutely love that. She loves all of the Mindware Dig It Up kits. I think they're super neat too. Yes, they make a mess. You can minimize it a little bit by giving them a cookie sheet or a big art tray to put their eggs on before they just start busting them up, or do it outside, but it really is worth the mess because both of my girls really enjoy doing that, and it's fun and educational, and then you can read about the different animals or insects that come inside those eggs, whichever kit it happens to be. So that is everything I picked up in my most recent homeschool haul. I've been compiling this stuff for a while, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. Like I said, I'm really sad that summer is kind of winding down as far as not having school, and we've still got a few more months of summer, but not having school. But I'm really excited about school too. Homeschooling my girls is really an incredible blessing. Yes, it's time consuming. Yes, it's tiring. Yes, it's frustrating sometimes, and it's a lot of work. But I really love it. It's really fun for me. It's a great way for us to spend even more time together, and it's such a blessing. Homeschooling has been such a blessing for us and our family. So hopefully, if you guys are still here and you stuck around to watch the entire video, make sure if you're interested in entering the Samson giveaway for the 2-in-1 organizer and then 2 of the pop-in-store boxes of your choice, make sure you check out the description box for all of the details of the giveaway if you want to be entered in that. I also have my homeschooling playlist linked for you guys in the description box. Every single homeschool video I've ever made is in that playlist. So make sure you check that out if you need some more homeschool inspiration in your life. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.